Your car is more than just metal and wheels. It's a symbol of freedom and exploration. But sun, rain, and dust can dull its shine, leaving scratches and faded interiors. Introducing TGLOSS, an innovative car detailing solution to keep your ride looking fabulous and feeling great. Our expert technicians wield a range of advanced treatments to shield your car inside and out. Ceramic coating repels dirt, water, and UV rays, preserving the paint's shine. Underbody coating safeguards against corrosion caused by harsh weather. Silencer coating, heat-resistant protective layer against rust and corrosion. Internal panel coating provides a barrier against water, dust, and moisture that can lead to rust. TGLOSS goes beyond a simple wash. It's a comprehensive shield for your car. We don't stop at protection. Our experts restore and enhance every aspect of your car. Rat repellent keeps pesky rodents at bay. Exterior beautification brings back that showroom shine. Odor neutralizer keeps your car smelling fresh and clean. Interior enrichment creates a fresh, comfortable cabin environment, and many more treatments. Experience the ultimate protection and glossy showroom shine. TGLOSS, your one-stop solution for car detailing perfection.
Awesome.